Welcome to Taming the Vampire, effective strategies for reducing phantom energy loss. We'll explore 3 key strategies: advanced power strips, smart ecosystems, and behavioral changes to boost your residential energy efficiency. First, let's understand phantom load. Also known as vampire or standby power, it is the energy consumed by electronic devices when they are switched off or in standby mode. This invisible financial leakage accounts for nearly 10% of total residential electricity use. That translates to $100 to $200 in annual unnecessary costs and 1,300 pounds of CO2 emissions per household. The primary energy culprits include entertainment devices like gaming consoles and smart TVs, home office equipment such as desktop computers and printers, and kitchen tech like microwaves and coffee makers. You can identify phantom load through a manual audit, looking for indicator lights or warm power bricks. Alternatively, use a technical audit with plug-in meters, home energy monitors, or utility dashboards for precise measurement. Power meters are crucial for data-driven savings. By plugging a device into the meter, you can calculate the true cost of ownership using the formula shown to identify a device's annual cost while off. Strategy 1 is advanced power strips. These devices automatically cut power to peripherals when the primary device is turned off. They feature master outlets, controlled outlets, and always-on outlets for critical devices like routers. Strategy 2 involves smart ecosystems. This allows for scheduling power-offs, remote control of devices, and gaining insight into real-time spikes and phantom patterns over time. Strategy 3 focuses on behavioral changes. Develop the unplug habit for chargers, adjust deep sleep settings on electronics, and look for the Energy Star label when purchasing new appliances. The annual savings potential is significant. Smart power strips can save up to $120 a year, while unplugging chargers offers about $45 in savings annually. Our action priority roadmap suggests starting with high-impact areas like the entertainment center using advanced power strips. Medium priority includes the home office with smart plugs, and low priority involves small appliance unplugging.